Oh, today let me just talk about just something interesting. The selfishness of men, So men are so quick to be like, oh, you changed, I cheated because you changed, like the love changed, the way you treat me changed, like the sex is not that good. But you forget, did it change for only you, or are you having it for yourself, with yourself? The selfish nature of men, for them to just think that for you, you should be happy. Don't assume I'm happy because I'm not cheating back. Don't assume everything is okay if you think the sex is back. But then it's work to me too. I'm possibly not enjoying it too. If I've not said it, it does not mean it's not happening. You get? But sometimes women, we just don't cheat for the respect of you, just to respect you, and just because I respect myself, so I will just not cheat back. That is not who I am. So it has nothing to do with the fact of what you're doing. I'm respecting you because I'm just a respectful person, and I'm not doing it back because that's not what I do. That's your character, that's not mine. So I'm just so sick of this excuse that they always have, like, women do this, like, oh, they change, she doesn't cook, she doesn't do this. Yes, you change too, but I'm not complaining. I do not have time to sit over there and cry over spilled milk. Most likely I can see it the way you see it, but I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to. I'm not a crybaby, so we are not crying about it, and we are not cheating back, because at the end of the day, it's my body. Why would I choose to give it to someone else because you're using yours the way you want to? I mean, they are not the same price for sure. Yours is different. Yours is for everybody, and that's the easiest way to get over someone who cheats. Look at them like they are for everybody. Who wants something that belongs to everyone? Who does? I don't. I know I don't. But when you look at something and you're like, oh, that's for everybody. Yes, it is for everybody. And I'm not crying over something that's for everybody. I'm not pissed over something that's for everybody. I'm sorry, but I'm not doing that. So you can be mad, you can be pissed, or you can sleep with a village. It has nothing to do with me. And you're for everybody. So everyone can have a piece of you. You, the new ones, your exes, your baby mamas, anyone. I mean, your sisters at this point, they can, if they want to, they can have a piece of you, and it doesn't bother me at all. So I don't know, I mean, just change how you look at things. Everything is possible. Just change how you look at things. Do you know how they be saying that women can fall in love like a woman? You just show her money or do this and then she'll fall in love. Yes, you can. Dang, this part. Do you see me? I know you. That's a jaguar, but please don't play around. Okay. So the way they be saying like, oh, women, their love can just come from anywhere. Yes, and so can my love come. So can my love switch you into my brother. So can my love switch you into my friend. So can my love switch you into anything. I can turn you into anything in my mind, and that will be you. And I'll be fine and good with that. And whatever you think you hurting, it won't be. So ladies, let someone not take advantage of you and them knowing that you love them or you care about them, and let someone not cheat on you 1, 2, 3 times and you're still bothered. Really? I mean, if you can leave. If you're going to stay, stay and have your priorities right. stay and have your priorities right? Do you? Make sure things move the way you want them to. Just do you, because you can only change yourself, but you can't change someone else. So if you can leave, if that's the best change you want to do, you can do that. If it's not, you don't have to, but you cannot stay hurting. No, you can't. Okay, so thank you. It's a two-way traffic, and if you're not feeling this, trust me, I'm not feeling this. And men don't have emotions as much as women do. So by the time you start not feeling it, I've been not feeling it, but I'm committed, so I'll hold on to my commitments and keep them. As for you, oh, you're going to find out, because I mean, you're selling like a hot cake. But part of that value is because you have me. They think you're all that because of me. And that's a fact.